Welcome back to the Grand Solar Minimum channel. Today is Thursday, January 25th, 2018. Taking a look at our current conditions, our solar wind speed is at 434.8 kilometers per second with a density of 7.2 protons. Taking a look at our sun, there are no sunspots to report on. That's 5 consecutive days without sunspots, leaving our total for 2018 at 12. Taking a look at our TSI data for January 18th, 2018, it was reported at 1360.73. That was up from 1360.71. Our KP indices are sitting at a 1 right now, but the 24-hour max was at a 4, so almost storm levels. Taking a look at the SDO, we do not have any large coronal holes to report today. However, the corona does appear very, very weak. And in global weather news today, Tokyo records lowest temperature in 48 years. A rare heavy snowfall hit Tokyo on Monday, January 22nd, causing around 700 traffic accidents, stranding more than 9,000 travelers, leaving more than 180 people injured. The snowfall began during the morning hour of January 22nd, causing severe traffic problems. The Japan Meteorological Agency issued a warning to all Tokyo's 23 wards at around 14:30 local time, making it the first official heavy snow warning since February of 2014. By the end of the day, the JMA measured as much as 23 centimeters, 9 inches of snow in some parts of Tokyo, the biggest snowfall since February of 2014. The Tokyo Fire Department, which runs the ambulance service, said it had responded to 2,800 calls for help on Wednesday, January 24th, making it their busiest days since the service began in 1936. Generally, we receive more calls in the winter, but we think the combination of influenza, heavy snow, and cold weather contributed to the record high number, a fire department spokesman told AFP. By the end of the day, a very cold air mass started affecting wide areas of the country, forcing JMA to issue a low temperature advisory for the entire city for the first time since late January of 1985. JMA issues such warnings when the water inside pipes might freeze or pipes might rupture, or when crops might be damaged. By Thursday morning, the temperature in Tokyo dropped to -4 Celsius, the lowest this city has seen in 48 years. On the same day, the temperature in Hokkaido, well accustomed to cold winters, dropped to -31 Celsius, that's -24.3 Fahrenheit, for the first time this winter. In terms of snow, northern Honshu are under 9.8 feet of snow today, the highest this season. The region saw 19.7 inches of snow on Wednesday alone. Low temperatures in Tokyo are expected to reach -3 Celsius on Friday, January 26th, -2 Celsius on January 27th, and -1 Celsius on January 28th. JMA expects a return to average temperatures from 0 to 1 Celsius around Monday, January 29th. And for our Grand Solar Minimum Volcano update, here's Mari.
Thanks, Jake. In the past week, we have 5 volcanoes with new activity. During the same period, 13 volcanoes are ongoing. I've included an article outlining these in the description. I'd like to highlight the Mayan volcano eruption. The Mayan volcano was pictured spewing out red-hot lava in a menacing way earlier today, as the Philippines remains braced for danger of an escalation. The latest photograph showed the glowing lava pouring down the slopes and lighting up the ash cloud above the Philippines' most active volcano in central Albay province. Lava flowed from its crater as magma continued to move beneath, while a huge plume soared as high as 2,500 meters above the glowing peak today. Mayan's unrest has displaced about 76,000 people, the majority of whom are in evacuation centers where children lined up for meals and parents brace for the possibility of a long stay away from home. Government offices and schools have been closed in 17 towns and municipalities, and 66 flights have been canceled in recent days. The authorities have warned residents far from the area to stay indoors to avoid heavy ashfall. The alert remains just 1 notch below the highest level of 5. The provincial government has expanded the no-go area around the volcano to a radius of 9 kilometers. Check out this video from the Philippine Maine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology. Lava fountains reached 400 meters to 500 meters high. Ash plumes soared up to 5 kilometers above the crater. 13 tremors were recorded, and there was numerous rockfall events. We'll keep you updated. Thank you for tuning in to Grand Solar Minimum. Please like and share.